In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get the wooden nose TikTok filter. Okay, so to get this filter, all you need to do is launch TikTok. Then you want to go to the Discover tab next to the home button at the bottom. Then you want to tap on the search bar and you want to search for wooden nose. So I'm going to tap on the second option and then it's going to bring you up a whole bunch of videos and you just want to tap on one of them and you can see above the username of this person it says wooden nose with that little filter icon. You want to tap on that and that's going to bring you up to this page and you want to just hit add to favorites and that's going to add it to your favorites and then you can go ahead and use this filter within your videos, create some videos, send it to your friends and so on. So that is how you get the wooden nose TikTok filter. If you got some value out of this video, then I would appreciate it if you smash that like button and consider subscribing because I'm uploading how-to videos about social media and your favorite apps every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in my next video.